Accepting insurance without the support of a group practice can be tough, but most people looking for mental health care want to use their benefits to pay for sessions. If you're interested in seeing clients through insurance, Alma can help. They make it easy to get credentialed with major insurance plans at enhanced reimbursement rates. They also handle all the paperwork, from eligibility checks to claim submissions, and guarantee payment within 2 weeks. Visit helloalma.com to get started. That's helloalma.com.
It's no secret that our people can throw down in the kitchen. These 3 Black cookbooks span the diaspora with tantalizing recipes worth rolling up our sleeves to make. This is 2-Minute Black History, what you didn't learn in school. There's nothing like a good meal, and our food always tastes like a comforting call home. From New Orleans to Nigeria, these Black cookbooks span the flavors of the diaspora and deserve a place in your kitchen. Let's start with the Edna Lewis cookbook. Edna Lewis was doing farm to table before it was a trend. Growing up in rural Virginia's small community Freetown, an enclave built by the formerly enslaved, Lewis was used to hunting, fishing, and farming for her food. In her most iconic cookbook, the recipes are organized seasonally, inspiring us to tap into our ancestral traditions of eating and cooking as close to the land as possible. Next, we have Cooking for the Culture. New Orleans native Toya Bowdy's cookbook is a beautiful ode to the Crescent City. With recipes like gumbo and yagamine, her work brings a mix of Creole classics that we all know and a love for adventurous dishes worth trying for the first time. And then there's Africana. Africana takes readers' taste buds on a flight through the African continent, from Nigeria to Madagascar. Food writer Loreto Uma Shaler highlights the diversity of African cooking traditions. Good food is a beautiful way for our people to come together because there's nothing like gathering around a lovely prepared meal with your people. Cooking is a great way to keep us connected to ourselves and our ancestral traditions. In order to move towards the future, you've got to look to the past. This has been 2-Minute Black History, a podcast by Push Black. If you enjoyed this episode and want to show your support, please rate and subscribe to our podcast. Together, let's celebrate and honor the legacy of Black history.